Best wishes, my dear students. Today I am going to discuss about the problem solving part, especially in the case of spherical mirrors. So see here, light, reflection, spherical mirrors. We know that there are two types of spherical mirrors, concave mirror and convex mirror. Okay. And what are the different formulas we discussed in those two mirrors? Already we discussed those concepts in our previous videos. After watching those videos, you come and watch this video, then only you can understand the concept of this video. So see here, the different formulas in the spherical mirrors, especially R is equal to 2 into F, F is equal to, from which we can write F is equal to R by 2, and the mirror formula is 1 by F is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V, and the magnification formula is H dash by H. The another formula for magnification is minus V by U. In these formulas, you should remember all those terms. R means radius of curvature, F is nothing but focal length, U means object distance, V means image distance, M means magnification, H dash means size of the image or height of the image. Both are same, and H is nothing but height of the object. Okay. And you should remember the units of these quantities, especially R, F, then U, V, H dash, H. இது எல்லாத்துக்குமே unit வந்து centimeter generally will use, or occasionally will use meter. And there is no unit for magnification, that also you must remember. And one thing you must remember, the object distance and the sign convention அப்படினு ஒரு part நாம் பார்த்தோம். அந்த sign convention ஓட எல்லா ரூலுமே we should apply in the case of problems, then only we can identify the preferred value. So see here, we'll use these formulas in the problems now. So see here, if R is equal to plus 20 centimeter, that is radius of curvature given, what is the focal length is the question means. So we have to use the formula R is equal to 2 into F, or F is equal to R by 2. Okay, so here plus 20 centimeter is the value of R. So by 2 means that will give 10 centimeter as the value. So focal length is here positive, radius of curvature is positive abdinale, you should remember the focal length is right side, the radius of curvature also right side na, it is the convex mirror. So convex mirror ku da focal length um radius of curvature um positive ah irukum. Concave mirror ku இந்த ரெண்டு வேல்யூமே, அதாவது focal length as well as radius of curvature both are negative for concave mirror. So in the second problem, focal length is equal to minus 12 centimeter given and radius of curvature asked. So if the focal length is negative means that is nothing but concave mirror, because for concave mirror only the focal length and radius of curvature both will be left side. So left side pole la irundhu nama endha distance measure pannalum that will be negative. So radius of curvature calculation kana formula is nothing but 2 into F. So here 2 into F abdina 2 into minus 12 centimeter. So nothing but minus 24 centimeter is the value for radius of curvature in this case. So radius of curvature is negative. This is the concave mirror. Next we will discuss the problem which is the book bank exercise problem. An object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter from the convex mirror. In the problem itself, that is a convex mirror அப்படிங்கிறத கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, of focal length 15 centimeter. So see here, object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter. அப்ப object distance given and as well as focal length given, that is 15 centimeter. Find the position and the nature of the image. So here we have to calculate the position of the image, nothing but the image distance. That V value we have to calculate. And the nature of the image enna appdin ketirukkranaala, nature of the image na அது வந்து virtual இல்ல real diminished enlarged அப்படிங்கறத calculate பண்ணி சொல்லணும். So இதை calculate பண்றதுக்கு we should calculate the magnification value as well as v value. In this problem we have to calculate. எந்த ஒரு problem solving partலயும் first we should write the given value. So the given value is nothing but u is equal to minus 10 centimeter. Always the object distance அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோம்னா always the object distance is negative only. So object distance எப்பவுமே negative தான். ஏன்னா object எப்பவுமே left to the mirror only will keep. So left side நம்ம distance போர்ட்ல இருந்து measure பண்றதுனால object distance எப்பவுமே negative னு தான் நம்ம எழுதணும். ப்ராப்ளம்லயே அது நெகட்டிவ்னு கொடுக்க மாட்டாங்க. We should use the sign convention and use the correct sign, positive or negative நாம தான் think பண்ணி அதை எழுதணும். So u is equal to minus 10 centimeter and focal length, convex mirror னு கொடுத்துட்டனால focal length is here positive. So plus 15 centimeter. So we have to calculate the value of what? V, அதாவது image distance. So image distance calculate பண்ணும். We know u and f na, definitely we should use this formula, that is mirror formula. 1 by v வேணும் அப்படிங்கறனால இந்த 1 by u equal symbol இந்த பக்கம் வரும்போது minus. So 1 by 15 formulaல ஒரு minus இருக்கு. 1 by u, u க்கு minus 10 நீங்க substitute பண்ணும். So minus by minus become plus. So 1 by 15 plus 1 by 10. So இதை cross multiply பண்ணிருக்கீங்க. LCM எடுக்கலாம். எந்த மெத்தட் வேணா யூஸ் பண்ணி நீங்க இதை சால்வ் பண்ணலாம். cross multiplication 1 into 10 10, 15 into 1 50. Then we have to multiply these two. என்ன symbol இருக்கோ அதை யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கணும். உங்களுக்கு தெரியும் இந்த cross multiplication from the lower class you study. You should practice that cross multiplication again and again. So this is 150. So 25 by 150 will give 1 by 6. So 1 by v only 1 by 6. So what is v? Abhina, that is 6 centimeter. From the positive value of v, we can identify that image is formed in the right side. Definitely that is the virtual image. Then we have to calculate the magnification. We know that the value of v and u, so we can use that formula. So நம்மளுக்கு ரெண்டு formula தெரியும் magnification க்கு. ஒன்னு h dash by h and another formula is minus v by u. If we know that the value of h dash and h, that time we can use the first formula, but in this problem we don't know the value of h dash and h. We know that the value of u and v, so that's why we are using this formula. So one thing, எந்த formulaவை நம்ம choose பண்ணணும் அப்படிங்கிறது நமக்கு இருக்கிற வேல்யூல இருந்து தான் இருக்கு. So we should know all the formulas, then only we can choose the correct formula. So here minus v by u. So minus v value is 6 plus 6 and the u value is minus 10. So minus by minus become plus. 6 by 10 is nothing but 0.6 and there is no unit for magnification because it is the ratio of similar quantity. So centimeter substitute பண்ணும்போது units cancel out ஆயிடும். 0.6 இந்த இடத்துல ஆன்சர் கிடைச்சிருக்கு magnificationக்கு. So எப்ப ஒரு magnification ஓட வேல்யூ 1 விட லெஸ்ஸா கிடைக்குதோ அப்ப நம்ம என்ன சொல்லிடலாம்னா that is diminished image அப்படிங்கறத we can say. So it is the ratio of image size to that of object size. So image size, object size இது ரெண்டுக்குள்ள ratio 1 விட லெஸ்ஸா இருந்துச்சு அப்படினாலே that is the diminished image. Equal to 1 நம்மளுக்கு கிடைக்குதுன்னு வெச்சிட்டா அது வந்து same sized image. 1 விட greater value கிடைக்குது அப்படினா அது வந்து enlarged image. இந்த problem பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் that is less than 1, magnification is 0.6. So it is the diminished image and we know that in the case of convex mirror always that produces the diminished image. So this is the way we have to solve a problem. So while solving you must remember the sign convention. என்ன mirror கொடுத்திருக்காங்க அப்படிங்கறத யோசிக்கணும். இப்போ இதே இந்த இடத்துல convex mirrorக்கு பதிலா concave mirror னு கொடுத்திருந்தாங்கன்னா focal lengthக்கு நீங்க minus அப்படினு நம்ம substitute பண்ணனும். So அந்த sign conventions நம்ம கரெக்ட்டா நம்ம அப்ளை பண்ணல அப்படினா we cannot identify, we cannot calculate the proper values. Now I am going to give a homework problem for you. So see here, 4.5 centimeter needle is placed 12 centimeter away from a convex mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. Give the location of the image and magnification. Describe what happens to the image as the needle is moved forward from the mirror. So this is the question. So here this is nothing but object size, this is object distance, then this is the focal length. Location ketirukanganaale we have to calculate the image distance as well as magnification also asked. The formula is minus V by U. You should use to calculate that magnification. So the magnification calculate பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறமா கீழ ஒரு part question இருக்கு பாருங்க. Describe what happens to the image as the needle is moved farther from the mirror. அதாவது இப்ப 12 cm ன்னு இருக்கிற object distance அதை விட அதிகமா fartherனா இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் தூரமா நகர்த்தும் போது image நோட size என்னவாகும் அப்படிங்கறத question. So you try to solve this problem. The answer will be discussed in our next video. Okay students? If you like this video, you give like and share this video with your friends and subscribe our channel. Thank you students.